Most people don't enjoy going to the dentist. However, today we are here at the Kodish Dental Group, where your experience is unlike any other. I mean, they bake cookies, they do Botox. He's been in business for 30 years. Let's go find out more. We are with Dr. Kodish. Thank you so much for having us today. Tell us a little bit about what makes you different than other dentists.
Well, I think that our office is a very high-tech office, and I think the main distinction that we try to do is make every patient feel as if they're part of my family. So I like to treat everybody as if they're a family member, and I think it just kind of comes through with the way our patients react to us, and I enjoy it very much doing it that way.
Incredible. And tell us about some of the state-of-the-art equipment you have here.
Well, we have a machine, it's called a CEREC machine, that will allow us to make a crown for somebody in an hour so they don't have to wear temporary. We have a lot of high-tech diagnostic equipment that we could use to diagnose how a person's jaw moves, so we can use it to diagnose any TMD problems they may have. We're completely digital, we're completely paperless, so everything is computer generated. We have a technology that can actually take a movie, how somebody bites their teeth together, which shows their forces, so that we can make sure they don't have any occlusion problems or how their teeth come together. And we have a laser that we have several lasers, and we use that to do a lot of our surgeries, and we use it for periodontal treatment. So those are all just some of the things that we use to make our life easier and make our patients' lives a lot easier.
Susan, how long have you been coming here?
I think it's like 8 years. I thought it was shorter, but yeah, it's 8 years.
Time flies when you're having fun, right?
Yes, and nobody has more fun than I do at the dentist.
What exactly do you do here at the dentist?
Well, now fortunately I'm limited to getting my teeth cleaned most of the time, but when I first came, I had a lot of work done. And it wasn't just cosmetic, I had some really serious issues. And one of the reasons why I wanted to stay with Dr. Kodish is that he's not even in my network of my dental insurance, but one of the reasons I wanted to stay with him is because they did everything right here in the office. I wasn't farmed out to anybody else. I had periodontal work, I had bone grafts, you name it, I had it done, and they did it all here for me.
I've always kind of covered my teeth when I smile, and I do a lot of public speaking in my job. So now I find that I open my mouth and speak more clearly, and I'm not afraid to smile.
You have a gorgeous smile. Can we see that smile? We are with Randy, one of Dr. Kodish's patients. What keeps you coming back here?
I love the Kodish Dental Group. They have a multitude of different aspects that keep me coming back here. They're the friendliness that you're greeted with the minute you are met at the door, from their services. I actually have a hard time staying awake. I fall asleep at the dentist.
You fall asleep at the dentist?
Yes, that was never to me. I had a fear of dentists like most people do, and it's quite the opposite.
Well, growing up, I've had many not wonderful experiences at the dentist, and I've kind of stayed away from the dentist, which I have a lot of work to be done. I was recommended to come here, very highly recommended to come here, and I'm very, very satisfied. He certainly has the most up-to-date equipment. I just had, because my gums were so bad, I just had a laser surgery with him. Rather than going to a periodontist and having a real major surgery, he did it with the laser, and it was great. I didn't have any discomfort at all. In fact, Dr. Kodish called me at night to see how I was feeling, and I was feeling great.
We definitely found out how the Kodish Dental Group is different than any other dentist. Until next time, I'm Bree Wolf, uniting you with the world, one video at a time. See ya. I guess it's time for some Botox.